Welcome back to our channel. Rosie with you and Adsa from Couples Wanderlust. We are here to show you our picks of most famous fountain in the world. We all knew that fountains has been used since history as a marvelous piece of architecture to give a delightful ambience to historical monuments and other outdoor pieces. Many people admire the beauty of fountains, showing all the components of vivacious movements, and the sound of its soothing water makes everyone calm and glad.
A large number of fountains surprise the audience by working on a systematic scheme and choreography with a well-fitting background music. Get ready to go into raptures about these 10 magnificent and breathtaking fountain shows from around the world.
Burj Khalifa Fountain, Dubai. At the base of the world's tallest building, spreading on a 30-acre Burj Khalifa lake, is the world's largest dancing fountain. Designed by the California-based WET, it includes about 6,600 lights and 25 colored projectors, fire and fog, which all together make a spectrum and shoots water with up to 490 feet into the air, with its 5 jets rings, which is equivalent to a 50-story building in a sequence that moves in time to the music. The display can be seen from over 20 miles away. It is best viewed from the Dubai Mall.
World of Color Fountain, California. It is a nighttime picturesque show at Disney California Adventure. The show features 1,200 fountains that are able to shoot water up to 200 feet in the air. Water, fire, laser, lighting, and fog are used to form numerous special effects in synchronization with the music and the images. The LED lights installed on the giant Mickey's Fun Wheel also works synchronized with the water show. Not only this, a 380 feet large mist screen is also used to project images.
Moonlight Rainbow Fountain, Seoul, South Korea. Listed in the Guinness Book of World Records, it is the world's longest bridge fountain. It forms about 100 different formations over the total length of 3,740 feet with its 380 jets and 10,000 LED nozzles. Both sides of the bridge draw 190 tons of water per minute. As the name itself suggests, the fountain water is illuminated by 220 lights in a kaleidoscope, which give it the 7 colors of the rainbow. The Han River below, it serves as the source of water for it.
Aquanura Fountain, Netherlands. Created by Water Entertainment Technology and Efteling, Aquanura is the world's third largest water show, opened in 2012 on the 60th anniversary of Efteling theme park. Within the 15,000 square meter lake, there are about 200 fountain jets, which displays a play of water, fire, fog, and light, and is choreographed on musical artworks composed by Brabant Orchestra. It acts like a canvas for about 900 lights and sounds.
Bellagio Fountain, Las Vegas. Another extortionate fountain outside the Bellagio Hotel is used as a rack for sound and light shows. With over 4,500 lights and a sound system, it dances to the tune of every music. The fountain water blooms from 1,220 nozzles up to 24 stories into the air. A team of 30 engineers who are also trained in scuba diving is responsible for its daily maintenance.
Did you find our pics interesting? Write your comments below if we are contributing an information.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to notify with our next video.
Lotte World Musical Fountain, Busan, South Korea. South Korea is also home to the world's tallest indoor fountain. It opened in 2010 inside the Gwangbok Lotte department store in Busan. There was 500,000 people visited within 3 weeks. Today, it receives 20,000 visitors a day and ranks as Busan's most popular attraction. The high-tech display incorporates sound, light, and color, and 16 different songs provide background music.
Buckingham Fountain, Chicago, Illinois. Located in Chicago's Grand Park, Buckingham Fountain was built in 1927 and remains one of the largest fountains in the world. The fountain was designed to symbolize Lake Michigan, with its 4 seahorses representing the 4 states that borders the lake, swing by at the top of every hour for a choreographed water show.
Magic Fountain of Montjuic, Barcelona, Spain. This fountain was constructed in 1929 for the Universal Exhibition and was restored in the 80s with the addition of lighting, music, and water effects that appears to make the fountain dance. Thousands turn up on the weekend evenings to enjoy the spectacle, which produces 3,620 water jets in 50 colors, some soaring in the air and accompanied by classical or pop music.
Musical Fountain, Brunei. The musical fountain is located at the Jeradang Amusement Park in Brunei, which is the most impressive amusement park in the Southeast Asia. The amusement park hosts various choreographed water performances set to light and music. It also features laser shows and holographic cartoons.
Big Wild Goose Pagoda Fountains, Xi'an, China. This musical fountain adds more beauty to the 1200 years old pagoda, which is a holy place for the Buddhist. Covering an area of 110,000 square meters, this T-shaped musical fountain is among the largest fountains in Asia. Be prepared to get wet if you decide to walk through these fountains, having 2,000 nozzle jets shooting out water. Interlocking arcs of sparkling water are perfectly tuned to the lighting and music system. The musical fountain illuminates the sky and the water with its spectacular light. If you like our pics, give a thumbs up and share with your friends.
For more information about travel and world's wonder, please subscribe with our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!